Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Sylvia here, and here I come with my profit resolution review. Okay, we are on the sales page of Profit Resolution. Okay, this is this product is launching today, and today is the 16th of January, so the launch period is from today, Monday, till Sunday. Okay, so that's the newest launch by this vendor here on Warrior Plus. His name is Sei Adiliki. I think that's the way to pronounce his name. I'm not too sure. Apologies. Now let's check out his profile right off the bat. Guys, 2 stars out of 5. Okay, in general, just so you're aware. And now, basically, what this product is all about, it's just a collection of his previous launches from 2022 put all together. So, and you know, he's selling all of them to you at one price. Now they normally do it around Christmas time, some kind of like surprise. He's late with this launch. Okay, so you know, again, I did show you the score. In my opinion, I do not see much value, if any, in these products by this vendor. Okay, I did review quite a few of his products in the past. Okay, you can go ahead and check my reviews on individual products that you will find in this collection. Okay, because what it is, again, it's a collection of 11 products. As you can see, this is the members area. Okay, so you basically have the dashboard, my products, support, upgrade, bonuses, and if you click on this my products, you're gonna have to register. Okay, let me just, you see, so you'll have these products one by one, and if you're interested in checking out any of the reviews on individual products, go ahead and check the reviews, so you'll kind of know what kind of products you'll be getting here. And you know, it's 11 products, guys, and in my opinion, in my humble opinion, okay, based on almost 2 years of experience of having dealt, reviewed, seen such products, they are not worth a broken penny. Okay, it's just a waste of time. Well, not just a waste of money, but actually a waste of time. And at the end of the day, time is money. Now imagine, and you have a collection of 11 junk products here. To go through 11 products that, you know, one God knows whether they're gonna work or not, most likely not, whether they will make you money or not, well, it's very, very questionable, or actually it's like crystal clear. Again, in my opinion, they're not gonna make you any money, because you know what is money? Money comes down to traffic, and traffic is something you will either have to work your bum off, okay, if you want to do it organically, like uploading YouTube videos on YouTube, obviously, writing blogs, or what, on social media. Not really. Sharing stuff on social media does not make money in general, unless you're very, very clever about it, or you have like some kind of, you know, Facebook group, then yeah, maybe. But you know, you would have to be sort of well established and popular to make money via Facebook groups. But that's another topic. Okay, it's like a side note. And number 2, traffic is something you can buy, but that's, you know, that's money. That's money as well. So, no, as well, that's actually, you know, where money is involved. So it's not organic traffic, it's paid traffic, like solar ads, Google ads, Bing ads, all sorts of, you know, ads, right? Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, whatever ads. Yeah. So anyhow, back to this product. You see, for example, here he's showing you the members area of one of the products that you will find inside, called CryptoPay. I might have actually reviewed this product. So again, if you're curious, guys, just check out it. But to me, it's a waste of time, to be brutally honest. But if you're curious, check out individual reviews. Okay, I mean reviews on individual products that you will find inside of this whole collection. the collection of 11 apps here, okay. Yeah, like to go through all of that, imagine 11 products, such a waste of time. And again, the launches, guys, from Monday the 16th till Sunday the 22nd, and the price, I think, is $17 for the front end. I'll walk you through the funnel. Okay, here we have the funnel. So it says here it's 7 upsells, but it's really way more than that. Check out here inside Warrior Plus, you will have, like, it says here 31 upsells. So before you even manage to get to the front end of this product, okay, you will have to go through 31 sales pages. Okay, it's gonna suck the energy out of you and annoy you like nothing. Okay, so you have the bumps, this and that, upsell, downsell. So if you refuse the upsell, they'll hit you with the downsell, and then, okay, if you say no, they'll present you with another upsell and another upsell and another upsell. It's like time consuming. I mean, who's got the time to go through all of this never ending story? I wouldn't. But guys, if you've got some spare time and you want to get annoyed, do it. Yeah, but here they claim it's 7 upsells, but it's way more than that, obviously. So not much to say about this product, guys. I mean, on the sales page they say garbage like, each software generates hundreds of success stories. And I am the Pope. Now, whatever, 99% discount, create your first passive income streams within minutes, as if that was so easy. It is simple, creating, laying foundation to passive income in the years to come, but it's not easy. It's very simple, and actually if you want to get the blueprint, you can, pick up my free courses, which I have personal experience with. Therefore, I am recommending them because these courses in particular kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey, and thanks to these courses I am generating sales. This is my account, okay, Warrior Plus, on a regular basis, not just on Warrior Plus, because there's hardly any products really I recommend on Warrior Plus. I mean, on Warrior Plus you will not find good software products. You will find occasionally good training courses, and such products I would recommend every now and again, and I would sell them. But then again, I would sell products on platforms like JVZoo sometimes, because the software on JVZoo, that tends to be like professional softwares really made by professional software developers. I mean, you will still have to, sort of do your research and do your due diligence as to whether there would be actually useful for you, okay, and for your business. But in general, the software products you'll find on JVZoo are way more better than on Warrior Plus. On Warrior Plus, it's just garbage when it comes to software products. I'm just telling you as it is, guys. But yeah, you will find good training courses every now and again, okay, and those I would happen to promote every now. If I believe it's gonna give you value, I would most of the time buy them myself first, go through them, and then if I see value, I was like, okay, go ahead and buy it, because it's pretty good, as long as it is like most of the time a training course, so it is knowledge, okay, you're paying for, and then it's totally up to you if you're gonna make money with it, because that's gonna require consistency and persistency on your side, and just putting your head in the game and working on it. That's how you make money. How am I making money? By uploading YouTube videos consistently. That's how I make money. I make money from YouTube ad revenue, because my channel is monetized, and from promoting products, from promoting these courses as well, because these courses, yes, the free front ends. The front ends to all of these courses are totally free, and they're value packed, and you don't have to buy the upsells, but there are free upsells that come with these courses. So if you've decided like, okay, I really do like them, I would like to go ahead and like, you know, start promoting them myself, then you can buy the upsells, like for example, access to this Discord, you know, group. It's one of the upsells. There's another upsell that's done for you pages that you will need anyway, and there's a number 3 upsells, only 3 no BS upsells. A number 3 upsell is reseller rights and all of the clients' data, so you would be growing your email list. Okay, and this is actually the vendor, Tim Michael. So you see this Discord community is one of the upsells, the second upsell. And there are so many threads here to the left. I mean, so much stuff. You get the review access to many products that you could potentially promote or just review, okay, do like a critical review, because this, you know, vendor, Tim Michaels, he's a no BS guy, and he says like, do a real review, okay, do not push garbage onto your viewers, just be real, okay, if there is a specific product that you see no value in, offer some good alternatives. So again, I mean, so much I could tell you about, you know, this whole community as well. I'm obviously part of it. And, you know, I just talk to the vendor on a regular basis. He has helped me big time. Okay? So a guy with integrity and all of that. So pick them up, guys, if you want to learn how to make real money online. Okay? And like stray away from this nonsense, okay, where they try and sell you dreams. Like, look what they say. They say all beta testers made money from day one. Is it even possible? Okay, of course it's not. We cover all from free to paid traffic. Well, you may, but you know, it just probably brainwash your buyers into thinking that free traffic is like traffic on the high street, right? On free traffic you have to work for months and years. For the free traffic, like on Google search or YouTube search, to come to you. So like real people watching your videos or whatever, and then buying from you through Google search and like, you know, optimizing your channel, doing the keyword research, and yeah, so people can actually find your content. And then, yeah, paid traffic. Well, you still have to learn how to set everything up and, you know, set the ads, the paid ads up, how to do it all properly, you know, so good training is a must. Plus then there is a lot of investment, you know, on your side, because it's obviously paid traffic. Yeah, so, oh my goodness, and they say 30 days money back guarantee plus get paid $200 if you don't get any traffic or sale. Okay, now you believe that, guys? You're gonna get $200. Oh my days. Okay, and then they go on to like showing you all of the individual products. You will like get here a lot of fake testimonials, loads of blink, 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 shiny, shiny. Okay, my eyes are almost like getting blinded here. It's so shiny. You see that they're showing you the sales from Warrior Plus, which is obviously not from using these products, okay? But from releasing shiny objects one after another one. That's how they make the sales. It's easy peasy for them, lemon squeezy, okay? This is the way to make money, because there will always be naive newbies who will think that making money online is somehow possible with one-click nonsense. And yeah, so guys, just, you know, do your due diligence, you know, stay away from nonsense like this. And, you know, just do something that works. This is the vendor. I do not recommend his products, okay? Because I've seen way too many of his shiny objects products. It's just one nonsense after another one. Alright, so guys, that brings me to the end of my review on ProfitResolution. Again, if you're real and if you have your head firmly on your shoulders, your feet on the ground, firmly on the ground, I would pick up something like this. The link to this page will be below my review. Check out these courses, click on the buttons here. You will be taken to the sales page. If you want to get them, you can, even without, well, obviously without, because they are free, submitting your card details. Just sign up with your email address and you can go through the front ends front-end member areas of these 3 courses on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. You know, these 3 are just the very foundation of setting up a successful email marketing business. Okay, you need to learn how to generate traffic, and you need to learn how to grow your email list and do it successfully, so your emails actually end up in your prospects, potential buyers inboxes, right? Instead of ending up in the junk and never be seen by your subscribers. Okay. All right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you in my next video. Again, stay away from this product and products of this kind. Okay, waste of time and obviously waste of money. All right, see ya until the next time.